Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to import and export the contacts from the SIM card on the memory card in your phone. So to do this operation, go to your contacts icon here. Now left side, manage contacts here, and you have your option import or export contacts. So tap it on it. Import contacts from your SIM card. Just import it. So I want to import the contacts from my SIM card, but you can of course import the contact from your SD card or internal storage, whatever you want. For now I'm gonna select few contacts from my SIM card and import it to my phone. Of course you can choose your second SIM card if you have it. Okay, I'm just imported 4 contacts into my phone. So let's check it out about the imported contacts, which we're gonna see in contacts in phone here. Now just showing contacts. It's gonna be saved here, as you see, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.